This video, we will talk about lack of patience. Equities, unlike other instruments, offer variable income in nature. There are other instruments that deliver a fixed return over time, but for equities though, there is some amount of volatility in the returns at all times. It is during this volatility that investors need to be disciplined and not let their emotions dictate their actions. All of your decisions need to be backed by knowledge and numbers for you to generate high returns. There is a common saying in the industry that the stock market is designed to transfer money from the impatient to those investors having patience. People who believe in always chasing the buzz are usually at a risk of losing more than what they can gain. Physical training helps build your endurance over time. Nothing is achieved overnight. While selecting the right stock is a very big challenge, once you actually do select a stock based on its reported numbers and accurate filters on top of those, you should stick with it as long as it is trading at favorable prices and the company is continuing to report good numbers. To help you understand this more, let us pay attention to the figures on the screen. Here, we are presenting you the companies that have been identified and recommended to our clients by Vivekam on different days and the price at which they were recommended, and subsequently the highest price reached by the company and the date on which it reached the high price and the number of days it took, along with the percentage of growth recorded in such time. If you look at the Wipro, it was suggested to our clients on 24th April 2020 when the price was 177.75. It subsequently went up to 579.65 by 15th of July 2021 by taking about 447 days but recording a gain of 226% in this period. But if you look at the Laurus Labs, which was recommended on 18th of May 2020, when the adjusted price of that company, that is after the rights adjusted price, it was 85.14 and it went on to go up to 697.80 by 29th of June 2021, which means it took 407 days. But the profit that has been generated it grew up by 720%. And whereas Hathway was recommended on May 5, 2020, when the price was 18 rupees 30 paisa, it went up to 57.3 by 22nd of July, taking only 78 days to give a profit of 200%. JSW Energy, which was recommended on 26 May 2021, when the price was 39.2, went on to hit 79.10 by 28 January 21 in 239 days. This gave a return of 102%. There are many other stocks which have appreciated 100%, 150%. To save the time for all of us, we presented only the small number of companies in this chart. Time in the market is better than time in the market. Many people describe the stock market to be a madness of sorts. When we stick to the rigid rules in our investment, madness of others brings several profitable opportunities for patient investors to sell high or be able to buy cheap. You must know that at any point, volatility of individual stocks is higher when compared to diversified portfolios. Also important to note is that volatility of the returns in the short term is very high. The same is very low, though over a long term. For example, we will see the graphs of index over a period of 1 year returns and then over a period of 8 years returns in two different graphs, which will come up on your screen now. From the graphs that you are seeing on the screen now, you will understand that Sensex returns for 1 year period of time. That means if you invest only for 1 year period of time, it can go up to 80% at times and it can also go down to minus 40%, which means there could be a loss of 40% in a period of time. That means in a shorter period of time, the volatility of the Sensex also is a kind of unbearable because if you started on a year in which there was a loss, you would be completely disappointed. But whereas the same Sensex, if we compare what happens if we hold on the index for more than 8 years period of time, let us look at the graph on the screen now. You will appreciate that once you hold the Sensex for more than 8 years period of time, the loss was barely noticeable. Only for 1 or 2 years it went below 0% or into negative territory, but in all other cases it was always positive and the maximum return was 25% and most of the times it was hovering around 15% return, which implies that if you hold the index for longer period of time, the volatility will also get reduced, unlike what has happened in 1 year period of time. Standard deviation is used to measure the volatility of returns of a stock or index over a given period of time. For example, in the last 10 years, the standard deviation of individual stocks, even the industry leaders and present in the Nifty, are as given below. Now let us see what they are. Tata Motors, which is part of the Nifty and Sensex, has got a standard deviation of 14.32% monthly deviation, and State Bank of India has got 10.51%. Adani Ports has got 9.51%. Compare it with the diversified portfolio, such as the index. We can see Nifty's average volatility or standard deviation is only at 5.25%. If an investor is invested in even the most popular diversified portfolio, such as the Sensex or Nifty for longer run, we can see how volatility is reduced drastically against very short-term durations of time. I hope from this video, you take away that patience is a very key virtue when it comes to investing, and you, the investor, must take great care to exercise patience in your investment journey to ensure that you are flooded with opportunities of making money. Thank you.